This is an unboxing video for the DOKIO portable solar panel kit, and I'll connect it to my Jackery power station after I open it. I'll post the product links to the description and in the comment section. This is a 100 watt solar panel kit and it weighs about 6 pounds. The packaging tapes on 3 of the sizes are very easy to open. However, the side that I'm opening now is a little bit harder because it was secured by heavy-duty staples. The solar panels are well protected by paddings. This is a solar charge controller which you might or might not need. It depends on how you want to connect the system. I'll go over more later in the video. This is a bag of wires. Let's open it and see what's inside. This is for charging 12-volt batteries. Use the alligator clips to connect to the battery. Connect the other end to the solar charge controller. There are 2 different wires here. I'll show you how to use them later. This wire is for connecting the solar charge controller to a load, such as a light bulb. Here are different types of adapters that allow you to connect the solar panels to portable power stations, such as Jackery power stations. It's time to look at the solar panels. It comes with a handle and a storage space over here. Let's unfold it. It uses hook and loop tapes to keep the panels together. However, it does not come with a stand which allows it to catch the sun at an angle. There's only one wire coming out from the solar panel, and it is not a common MC4 connector as you will see in other solar panel kits. Let's open the solar charge controller. You will only need this part if you want to charge a 12-volt battery or use the USB ports to charge devices. It comes with a manual, I like the design, which allows you to make the connections without the need of screwdrivers. Now, let's see which adapter works with my Jackery power station. If you click on the product link in the description, at their product page, it tells you which power stations and 12-volt batteries work with this solar panel kit. This one seems to work. Let's double check. Good. Okay, this is what you need to do if you want to connect it to a power station. First, you will connect the adapter to this wire. And then use the previous wire and connect it to this wire. Connect the ends that have the same color and design. Connect the other end to the wire that comes out from the solar panel. So there is 1, 2, 3 connections that you need to make before connecting to the Jackery power station. Let's test it. The blue light is on. Today is a cloudy day, but you see there's 11 watts of electricity currently traveling from the solar panels to the power station. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like, share and subscribe. I wish you have a good day. Bye.